Hi champions, welcome to another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you about 7 side hustles, profitable side hustles that you can do this year to make some money. All right. So if you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Vivette, and on this channel, we talk about ways that you can make money online, save money, invest money, so that we can achieve financial freedom and also some money saving tips. All right, so the first side hustle, profitable side hustle that I want to talk to you about is to create a digital product. So, digital products are products that are digital, as the name suggests. So, you don't have any physical products sending to anyone. So, these can be in the form of ebooks, planners, printables, checklist, you name it, wall arts, you can create them. And you can use a free online platform called canva.com. If you even don't have any graphic design experience, you can use that website and create awesome digital products. So that is one way in which you can, is a profitable side also that you can start today. Number 2, you can sell jewelries. So if you are good at making jewelries, whatever type of jewelry, I see this trend now where you can use the crochet jewelries, where you can use the crochet thread to make like a pattern and to create like an ear, like an earring or bracelets or any other form of jewelry. So if you're good with your hands, great. So you can start that today. It might take a little upfront cost to get these maybe the items that you need to create the jewelry, but just start. Just check it out and start it. All right. So number 3, you can sell Jamaican products online. Guys, I have a video on this channel that goes into more details. I will link it in the description. But guys, you can start selling Jamaican products. So if you don't even have, not only Jamaican products, but you can sell other products that you might think persons would want, are in an area that you are passionate about. So for example, if you love like fragrances, like perfumes, maybe deodorant, lotions, you name it, you can start selling something online, right? You can just start it. You just want to start, guys. These are profitable side hustles. Just start. All right. So number 4, you can create and sell your own course. So guys, if you're knowledgeable in any area, right? So you, whatever it is, if you know to do something extremely well, or sometimes maybe not extremely well, but you know to do something, you're one step ahead of somebody else, or you know something more than somebody else, you can put it in the form of a course and sell it. And that is one way you can have passive income as well, because you would put the upfront energy, the time and everything to create these courses, and you can sell them on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and others. You can even sell it on your own website if you have a website, right? So whatever you are passionate about, there are so many courses. Is like, this industry is like a billion-dollar industry, guys, and there you it's not too late to start. You just need to just start. If you have a smartphone, you can do a video and start creating courses, because honestly guys, video content is the most um is the most what you call now relevant content right now that persons consume a lot, right? So just start, use a smartphone and start creating some videos. All right. Number 5, you can do a delivery service. So since because of COVID, you have a lot of persons who are entering that sector right now. So for example, I can tell you, like for like KFC, you have persons there picking up orders based on picking up orders and delivering it to customers, right? You can also do pick up groceries for persons who may order online and maybe don't are unable to pick it up, and you can offer that service as well. You may have persons who maybe order from online overseas, and it may come to like a shipping company like here in Jamaica, and you can offer that service as to pick up the package and deliver it to the person. So the delivery service is a service that you can start. It's a profitable side hustle that you can start, and it can be just about anything. You can just ask probably in your area what what persons would want. If they would want somebody to probably like maybe pick up medication. I've heard persons doing that for especially like elderly persons, picking up their medication and carrying it to them and so forth. So you can start that deliveries. It may um you may have a little upfront cost in terms of like the transportation that you're gonna use, but if you have like a motor vehicle or a bike, you can start that today. You can try and start that today. Number 6, you can offer your services on freelancing websites like fiverr.com, Upwork, or guru.com. So whatever service that you offer, whether you are a writer or you are a graphic designer, or if you're good with your voice, you can do voiceover. You can offer these services on freelancing websites like Fiverr and Upwork, right? You can start that today. It's free to join. I have a link in the description if you want to join fiverr.com. That's one of the freelancing platform. As I say, it's easy to sign up, it's easy to join, and you can start there and to build your reviews, get clients, build your reviews. And then what you can do also is that over time you can have your own website where you offer your services there, and you can transition those clients to your platform, and also they can also recommend you to other persons, so you can get more clients and you can get more money. All right, so the last one is to start. Number 7 is to start a YouTube channel. Guys, don't think that their YouTube is saturated, because there's always content. There's always persons there wanting your content. So guys, even if you have a smartphone, you can create videos like what I'm doing now, or you don't have to show your face, because some persons really maybe don't like the camera and they don't want to show their face. But you can start a YouTube channel just the same. You don't have to show your face. There are so many faceless channels on YouTube. For example, like cooking videos, all you see on the channel and in the videos are like the hands, the utensils, and the items that are being used, right, for cooking. You can do like maybe sightseeing um videos. You can show different eras. It doesn't matter. People do different. There are so many faceless channels on YouTube, guys, and you just need to start. You just need to just do something, right? Come out of your comfort zone. Take a chance on yourself. Do something different. Try to change the situation. Stop complaining, this and whatever. Just do something different, right? Be be the champion of your life. Be intentional about everything in your life. This is there are so many opportunities there, guys, that you can make money. And the thing is, sometimes we allow fear to keep us back from experiencing or fulfilling our purpose and our true potential, right? So guys, I am empowering you, I am inspiring you, and I'm motivating you to start these or any one of these profitable side hustles that might fit you. Start it today and make a difference in your life. Because guys, if you don't take a chance on yourself, nobody gonna take a chance on you. And you might start something, you may not you may not feel motivated, you may not be getting the support that you really need. But guys, you have to believe in yourself. Believe in yourself that you can make a difference in your life, right? And these are some profitable side hustles. They can be like your main hustles eventually. And who to tell? You may never know what the outcome will be. Just take a chance. If this one don't work, or if you start it and along the way you see where you can tweak it and to make it better, at least you started it and you know what to do, what not to do, and you make a change, right? Sometimes, guys, we just need to step out. We need to all of us are here for a reason, and all of us have a purpose, right? And some of us may um brought up not being, not being encouraged. We just hear a lot of negative, 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 negative. And guys, I on this channel, we just it's all about empowerment, straight empowerment, because we all can achieve our true potential. So I want to tell you, I want to show you, I want to encourage you that we all can do it, right? And if we want to achieve financial freedom, guys, we have to do things different. We have to do different things. We have to do things differently, right? We have to. So take a chance on yourself. Do something. Try it. You'll never know if you don't try. And I always say the only time you fail in life is when you have never tried, right? That's the only time you truly fail in life, if you have never tried. So guys, if you like the content, please subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I do another video. Please like the videos, please share the videos, leave a comment in the videos, guys. Tell me what you would like to see on the channel, and tell me if you have started any of these side hustles or you're gonna start any of them. Let me know in the comments down below, guys, because we all want to grow. We are all champions, right? We are champions of every aspect of our life, right? And all we do on this channel is to empower you, is to motivate you, and to motivate all of us to achieve financial freedom and to live the life that we want. All right, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, please like, please share the videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye everyone.